We'll guide you through how to collaborate with your Dropbox team using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Team to access your team space. This is where all the magic happens. To collaborate effectively, you need to create or navigate to a shared folder. You can click on New Shared Folder if you want to start fresh. Give your folder a name and decide if you want to create and share it with specific team members or with the whole team. Once the folder is set up, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses in the Invite section. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions. You can choose between viewer or editor access depending on what role you want them to have. Now, to start collaborating, upload files by dragging them into the folder or using the Upload button. Everyone with access will be able to see and work on these files. To ensure smooth collaboration, use comments to communicate. You can right-click on a file and select Add Comment to provide feedback or updates. This keeps everyone in the loop without filling up your email inbox. If you need to track changes or versions, Dropbox automatically saves the history, so you can always revert to an earlier version if needed. To enhance communication further, consider using Dropbox Paper, which is integrated into Dropbox. It allows for real-time collaboration on documents, similar to a Google Doc. Just click on Paper in the left sidebar to start a new document and invite your team to join. Collaboration in Dropbox is incredibly efficient when you utilize these features and keep everything organized in shared spaces. Remember to check your notifications regularly so you don't miss any updates from your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.